There are several challenges to overcome in this global data management strategy. First of all, the data structure defined by the authorities have to be analyzed. This is more difficult than you might expect, as the information published by the authorities is not always detailed enough. In addition, all UDI attributes must be analyzed in depth, as some attributes are confusingly similar. For example, the FDA states, "Is the device labeled containing latex?" while the European Commission says device contains latex. It may well be that a product has not been labeled as containing latex. However, this does not mean that it actually does not contain latex. Furthermore, a mass mutuation function must be made possible at all levels and for all authorities. The release strategy must take into account the different levels. For example, in the case of EUDAMED, a distinction must be made between the release of basic UDI-DI and UDI-DI. The collection of UDI data must not be made too complicated. We support an Excel upload template for this, which can be uploaded into the system afterwards. And the highlight is to get the data into the right format to enable the upload to the authorities.